Hi everyone. Let us move on to the session number 2. The topic is differences between the financial accounting and cost accounting. First, let us understand what exactly the financial accounting and the cost accounting. Financial accounting refers to the accounting which is concerned with recording financial data of organization in order to exhibit the exact position of the business. On the other hand, cost accounting refers to the branch of accounting which deals with cost incurred in the production of units of an organization. This is what the meaning of the financial accounting and the cost accounting. Let us see the differences between the financial accounting and the cost accounting. The first one is on the basis of the purpose. Financial accounting to prepare profit and loss account and the balance sheet for reporting to the external users. Whenever you are preparing, according to the financial accounting, whenever we are preparing the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, we are supposed to report to the external users. Who are the external users anta helidre shareholders ಮತ್ತೆ customers. ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು external users ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೇವೆ. Let us come to the cost accounting. To provide detailed cost information to the management. That is nothing but the internal users. Who are the internal users here? The internal users are ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. Internal users are employees, directors, managers, and the supervisors. Let us move on to the next differences on the basis of the statutory requirement. Statutory requirement anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾಸನಬದ್ಧ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೇವೆ. According to the financial accounting, accounts are prepared according to legal requirements of Companies Act and Income Tax Act. ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ when it is coming to the cost accounting anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ maintenance of these accounts is voluntary except in certain cases of industries. Next, on the basis of analysis of cost and the profit. Financial accounting, it reveals the profit or loss of the business as a whole for a particular period. ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆನ್ಯುಯಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ come to know what exactly whether we are under the profit or the loss anta. When it is coming to the cost accounting, it shows the detailed cost and profit data for each product line department process. Andre under the cost accounting, it is going to show the department wise products, that is like ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಅದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. That is how the analysis of cost and the profit can be done. Next, on the basis of periodicity of a reporting. Financial accounting financial reports are prepared periodically, usually on an annual basis. As we know that now financial accounting ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ annual reports ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Periodically we are going to use this. When it is coming to the cost accounting, cost reporting is a continuous process and maybe on daily or weekly, monthly basis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ when it is coming to the financial accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is usually on the basis of annual. Next, on the basis of control aspects, financial accounting, it only involved in a recording of financial transactions and does not attach importance to the control aspects. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. When it is coming to the cost accounting, it provides for a detailed system of controls with the help of certain techniques like standard costing and the budgetary costing. Andre, you can control the cost here, but under the financial accounting, it is not possible. On the basis of historical and the predetermined cost. Predetermined cost anta helidre, according to the financial accounting, it is concerned with the historical records. Historical anta helidre past data na ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, whether we are running under the profit or we are running under the loss ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. When it is coming to the cost accounting, predetermined estimations can be made by the company in advance. It is done even before the production of a product starts. It is concerned not only with the historical data but also with the predetermined cost of the ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Next, on the basis of format of presenting information. Financial accounting, it has a single uniform format. As we know that now financial accounting ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. when it is coming to the cost accounting, it has a varied forms of presenting the cost information. It has various forms of presenting the cost here when it comes to the cost accounting. Next, on the basis of the types of transactions recorded. Financial accounting, it records only the external transactions like purchases and the sales. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡರ್ಸ್, we are going to record all those things. When it is coming to the cost accounting, it is not only recording the external transactions but also internal and interdepartmental transactions. Interdepartmental and external transactions are like issue of materials by the storekeeper to the production department. In that way, we are going to record. Next, on the basis of types of statements prepared. As we know that under the financial accounting, profit and loss account and the balance sheet is prepared generally. Now, idenne prepare maduvudu. According to the cost accounting, reports like report on loss of materials, idle time report anna ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, variance report time, all these things we are going to be prepared. Next, now let us come to an end of the session, revision. Today what and all we have been studied ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ according to the accounting, financial accounting ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹಾಗೇನೆ cost accounting ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ differences ಅನ್ನ we have been studied. Thank you.